Hello student, how are you? Today I am going to teach class 6 GK chapter 2 Paschimam Bango. West Bengal is a state in the eastern region of India. It is bordered by Indian state of Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Sikkim and Assam. Identify these places in the state. West Bengal is surrounded by the Odisha state, Jharkhand state, Bihar state and Sikkim state and Assam state. Some are the places famous in West Bengal. Here are the pictures. First, it is the capital of Indian state of West Bengal. It is located on the east bank of the Hooghly River. It served as the capital of India until 1911. This city was the center of the Indian independence movement. It is also known as the cultural capital of India. Answer is Kolkata. Second, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It covers a part of Bangladesh and the Indian state of West Bengal. This region is densely covered by the world's largest mangrove forest and is one of the largest reserves for the Bengal tigers. Answer is Sundarban. Third, it is a town and municipality in Bankura district in the state of West Bengal. It is famous for its burned red terracotta bricks, temple and the Baluchari saris. Answer is Bishnupur. Fourth, this city is located on the southern bank of the Bhagirathi, a tributary of the Gangas. It was the last capital of Bengal before it came under the British rule. This city today is a center of agriculture, handicraft and sericulture or silk farming. The answer is Murshidabad. Fifth, it is a hill station in the Mahabharat range or Lesser Himalaya of West Bengal. It is known for its educational institutions, many of which were established during the British colonial period. Kalimpong. Answer is Kalimpong. Sixth, it is a town in the Indian state of West Bengal. It is a popular tourist destination. It is located in the Mahabharat range. It is noted for its tea industry. The Himalaya Railway, which runs here, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tiger Hill, Ghum Monastery and Bhutia Busti Monastery are some of its major tourist attractions. Answer is Darjeeling. Thank you, student.